One owner car guy, oneownercarguy.com, and what I got here for you today is the interior video on this GMC Jimmy. It's a Blazer, it's a Jimmy, whichever you want to call it, but technically on the title it's going to say Jimmy, I think. So that's the deal. Look at that beautiful front end. I do like the little square bodies like this. Different time of day, but not really. The sun and clouds and the time of year and all this is just not cooperating me. Along with the place that I'm doing it, which I think I absolutely just love, this right here. In fact, say goodbye to me for a second because that's a picture right there, bud. Okay, got my picture. This is the interior, and I got the trailer hitch too with trailer brakes and all that good stuff. And this would be the interior review. Just wanted to give you the outside again and show you how it looks. Now the truck is not perfect, and I'm just saying it's a nice truck. It's not perfect. And the price reflects it too. It's a steal, and I do like doing trucks when I'm in Montana. You can check out my site, oneownercarguy.com, and you can call me on this truck, 406-546-8748. Name's Nathan, and make sure and subscribe. I've got 78,000 videos on here, and that's that. Look at these tires, though. Woo! Okay, door panels, they're in good shape. It ain't got the strap. It's getting weathered here, and honestly, I know these you usually can kind of clean up, but I think you'd sand them down and paint them if anything. I didn't clean this up too much and get all the dust out, but it's clean. The guy had a dog. We found a couple dog hairs in it here and there. The condition of the seats underneath is not that bad. It's just old and wearing through. So it's not all tore up. It's not all beat to heck. This piece of carpet here, what's it actually doing? It's covering up the fact that there's that. So let me get over here. Same thing. Let's get this up a bit. Yeah, that was the main rust hole there, because that's solid. So I wanted to show you that. Dash has been cut. I'll sell you a surround and everything for that cheap, and the stereo. This here, watch out for the needle. This here, it does have cracks in the dash. It does have a dash mat on it. Headliner's missing. These are in great shape. Top is in great shape. Center console is in great shape. Huh, that hooks in. Okay. Oh, there's a hole in the door panel over there, that you can see there. Power locks work. Power windows work. Back seat's in good condition. Doors and door panels, check this out. This is where they get rust sometimes, and this part's super clean. These holes didn't get plugged up. This is just starting to get something there, and I hope I didn't whip around too fast for you. But it's not so bad. It's not so bad, and it's so cheap. It's so cheap. Lady! Well, say hi or something. Okay. She's having a blast out here. Totally different than doing a review in California. Okay, the back here, he's got a mat in it, but it's pretty clean. He's got some holes in it there. That's a piece of something. A piece of something, ain't that the truth? I didn't clean up back here, man. I didn't vacuum it. Sorry, missing speakers, I can give you them so cheap it's pitiful too. In fact, the 6x9s for the back, like 35 to 55 bucks for really good stuff. Starting a little bit of corrosion there. It didn't there, I didn't notice in the video, but I did notice earlier, so I just forgot to talk about it. Okay, we're leaving soon. Door panel, strap missing, hole. That's why she couldn't find her seatbelt thing. Couple things starting there. It's the same thing on the other side. Tear in the door panel over there. Well, it's not really a door panel, a two-door, is it? Carpet's gonna need replaced and stuff. Yeah, that's that. That is that. Clean. It's clean for the price. It's clean for just being clean. It's a clean truck. It's not, you know, that's the thing. It's a Sierra Classic. Come on now. But no, that's the thing. It's clean. It's not all beat to hell. Somebody took care of this truck, and it shows. But there's little corrosionary issues, and you can see under here, that you ain't got the same bad problem like the other side. And the other side's a pretty easy fix, but at the same time, it is a problem that you're gonna have to address if you restore it. You want the good money. You're gonna have to weld in a floor panel or something. Yeah, they're not very much money. It's very easy. Probably one of the easiest parts to weld in it. And the part is right up in here, so you can't really see it. Oh, there it is, sorry. And right along the edge, boom. So, that's that. Well, that shows you the worst of it. A couple drips out of the rear main there. It don't drip all over, but it drips a bit. You will get some dripping and some drips on your driveway from it. So, it's gonna need a tune-up. It's gonna need going through to get a couple seals fixed and all that. But, well, that's the deal. I'm gonna do a test drive back to the place, change out batteries, and that's that. I'll be right back. Okay, back with you. And this will be the test drive. I did not show you under the hood yet, but I might as well do that before we leave to where it's done and I don't get back and forget about it. This thing has a brand new Edelbrock on it, and it is not just carbureted, I don't think. I think, maybe somebody could tell me, I think this is a throttle body injection on this particular truck, because it fires up right now and it don't run like it's carbureted. It runs the other way, if that makes any sense. But good truck, clean, still stickers everywhere. This guy took care of this thing. It's in great shape, and you still got the hood liner around it. And up in Montana, most of the times them are gone by now. So yeah, whatever. That's the under the hood. Look at the fender wells; they're not all rusty or nothing. So it does have a couple spots on it that I showed you, but it's not just falling apart or nothing. This thing is maintained and taken care of.
And we're gonna drive.
We are going to drive, hopefully. Listen to that, man. Let's do that again. We'll do it with the old door open. You gotta hear the door open. Now I do think that you're gonna need to replace a valve cover seal or something like that. To make it like you want it. I'm sure when you drive something like this, you're gonna burn up a belt or a hose or an alternator or starter or God knows what. I got no clue what you could break in it, because right now everything works in it that I tried. Now I wanted to make sure and tell you this. The AC, it is an AC truck, but the AC compressor is not in it. So that is something that you'll have to address if you want the AC. That guy's camping. Fall, man. So that's that. Good running truck. At first when I was driving it, we thought it was out of gas. And then, it would kind of act like it was out of gas in 10 minutes. And I do think there's a problem with that little switch in the distributor. Distributor has that little chip in it or whatever. I think that could be what made it do that to me. I made it home, 35 miles or so, just took pulling over 3 times. Good truck, clean truck, rides down the road straight. And I'll tell you what, with the double shocks in the front and the sweet tires, it's pretty nice. The back window would be nice to replace. The Momo wheel has the horn honked up. Now that's a rare thing. Usually people don't even hook the horn up to the aftermarket wheels. It's one of the most common things I've seen in trucks. Tilt wheel. So it is a highly optioned one. And I think with it being the Sierra Classic, that's how it got the TBI or whatever. I don't know what they're called year by year, but it don't just have the carburetor, I don't think. Beautiful day. The mountains are just gorgeous up there. Hope you can see a bit of that. And, whoa, that guy's definitely overloaded. Wow, he is loaded up, boy. Look at that. If he makes a DOT guy, jeez, man, that's a lot. Okay, here we go on the freeway bounces a little bit going down the road. Maybe it needs adjustment of some sort. That side doesn't bounce. And you know when you floor it, the kick down, it works. So upshift and downshift like it should. Wiper blades are missing. So, and it is the 4-speed overdrive transmission. So it's the one you want on that. It's got the right options with the power windows, power locks, air conditioning, and it's a clean truck. So a couple chips in the windshield, 2 there. I'm sure you find a little bit of a gouge when somebody turned that on. Yeah, that's that cows. They don't come with the truck. And here we are. I'm going to pull off here and I'll kind of take a couple more pictures of the interior, maybe one of the exterior, because we got sun over here. There wasn't sun here when we left. I figured there was by the river. Got to the river and there's no sun at the river. So, got no sun pics. Got sun tea, but I ain't got sun pics. Well, I got back to my place, and buddy, we got sun. Look, I got a nice step side forward there, but I figured I'd get you a little bit more in the light to where you can see this for the day video and get it. It's just, you know, it's been a cloudy day, I tell you. So I'm gonna do a quick walk around like this and tell you the whole spiel about oneownercarguy.com again. Use the numeral 1, and also tell you that you gotta subscribe. If you're not subscribed, you're missing. Look at there, step side Chevy with a 396 in it. Just picked it up. Something else here. I got a shovel head back there somewhere. So all this cool stuff, and a little Chevy right there. We're kind of Chevy strong right now on the truck, especially if you count Pontiacs as a Chevy. Okay, that's the deal. I'll clip this into something somewhere, and we'll call it good. Give me a call if you're interested in this truck. You owe it to yourself if you've been looking for one of these. I'm going to give you an ending on this one and kind of say goodbye. oneownercarguy.com. Make sure and subscribe. I've got lots of videos on here, and there'll be a test drive in the next little bit here. And if you're interested in the car, truck, SUV, you should get a hold of me. Thanks for watching. Have a great day or night, whatever it is, wherever you are. oneownercarguy.com.